This is our basement storage room, and I can't even tell you what an impact placing these plastic, strong, durable shelving units all the way down the dead center of this room made. It just took all of the floor space and put everything vertical, and it has stayed this way. It is so easy to manage. They are quite durable. They hold a lot of weight. You can see here, we've just loaded them down with various aspects. Even the paint cans, it's had no issue with all of that weight. We've loaded them all the way to the top, so I love that I can stack them side by side. I love that I can stack them all the way. I'm pretty short, 5'2", but I can reach everything on the top, which I also appreciate, not having to get a step ladder necessarily. And on the other side, we stack them back to back, and this side really houses a lot of our luggage, our outdoor gear, that kind of stuff. But everything, as you can see, is just so accessible. It really maximizes all the vertical space in our room, and it's just taken what was a pretty wide open basement storage area and made it so much more practical by dividing the space. I love that the light still shines through from the outdoors all the way over, and I just couldn't be happier. So if you're on the fence with these, you know, it's really made a difference. Everything, party supplies, storage, paint is so accessible, so easy, and we've been so happy with these. Hope that helps.